Hey guys, what's up? This is GeekyRahul from V4AI। तो आज हम लोग स्ट्रीमलेट यूज करने वाले हैं। स्ट्रीमलेट क्या होता है? स्ट्रीमलेट जो भी तुमने मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल्स या डेटा साइंस प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं उन सबको एक इंटरैक्टिव वेब एप्लीकेशन के फॉर्म में डिलीवर करने के लिए स्ट्रीमलेट कैन बी यूज। तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर तुम एक जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो इट्स हाईली रिकमेंडेड कि उसको एक इंटरैक्टिव वेब एप्लीकेशन के फॉर्मेट में सबमिट करो टू द इंटरव्यूअर, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम टू गो थ्रू ऑल योर टेक्स्ट कि भाई क्या क्या बनाया है क्या नहीं बनाया है। बट अगर वो इंटरैक्टिव एप्लीकेशन में दिखेगी तो दे विल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट व्हाटएवर यू हैव बिल्ट। So this helps you to stand out from the 90-95% of the candidates who apply for jobs. So that's why I'm teaching this stuff to you guys, and I have also used it a lot in my work. Make sure that you have Anaconda installed on your system. That's what I expect from you. So you'll have to first activate Anaconda environment and then install Streamlit. Okay, so now Streamlit is installed on my system. I can go ahead and start writing scripts. So let's try to, yeah, yeah. I'm using VS Code. You can simply create a file called basic.py. In this file, our objective is to learn basics of Streamlit. Right. So, what exactly? How can we import it? We can simply import Streamlit as st, right? To use this, and then let's try to start. Let's start with the basic exercise of hello world. Streamlit dot text is let's learn Streamlit. Okay, so this is my first script, and I just want to make deploy it on Streamlit locally. And what I'll have to do is I'll have to just go to my command prompt, go to that specific directory, simply copy the path of it. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to just execute Streamlit. Let's just clear. What I'll have to do is Streamlit run, then the file name. So the file name is basic.py. So once I execute it, yeah, we'll just start this thing in the browser. Okay, so it's saying that name st is not defined. Okay, let me see what's the issue with my code. Second, yeah. So there's a typo here. I have mentioned as str. It should be st, or if I'm using str, then and in the next line as well, I should use str. Okay, so that was a mistake. What's the good thing about Streamlit is I need not to go and rerun this in this command prompt. I can just rerun here or just click that all now. So as you can see, it has printed this hi student hello world kind of thing in the browser, and this is the kind of simple web application that you can deploy from Streamlit or from your or on your cloud instance, and you can share that link with the recruiter. That's what you can do. So we'll go ahead and write a couple of more commands to learn more about Streamlit. Yeah. So let's go back to VS Code, and this was a command just to print a simple text, and the next command is about printing a title. For example, if you want to change this text to title, what you'll have to do is title, just make it title. Let's not make changes to that. Let's, yeah. What we'll have to do is we'll have to just use a title function. Okay, so let's go back and let's click always be. So as you can see, it has printed this same sentence but with a format of title. Okay, then what next can be done is if you want it to be in the header format, then it has header. Then what we'll have to do is test header. Let's try to see. Okay, so it has now printed a header and with a twin tag kind of thing. And if you want to print a subheader, then these are our formatting things, right? So this is in the subheader formatting. And if you want to print, I mean, as in the GitHub or in the Jupyter as well, we use Markdown, right? Similarly, here we can use Markdown and print in the Streamlit. So this is for header. If I'll say h1, then in this case it will print h1. And if I'll use double x, one second, so it will print h2. And so this way we can use it. And if you want to for example, if you want to make some figures bold or italic, that can also be done. For example, high student, let's learn Streamlit. Okay, let's try to see. Cool. So these first few words have been printed in bold and this in the uh, italic form, right? If you want to strike it off, then in that case, simply put this. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, the markdown is working perfectly and it's pretty easy. And if you want to print, suppose you want to print a caption to an image, that can also be done. How it can be done by using the caption. This let's in caption. So in this case, it's in the light gray format. The caption, as you can see, caption of an image. In the similar way, it has printed this, right? The next thing we are going to explore is code. If you want to print a code, so because code is a very common thing which is going to be there in our scripts, because we want to show to our recruiter. So let's say you want to print code, then in that case you can simply use st.code. Uh, for example, let's try to copy this and print this one. In that case, this way it can be done, right? So it has printed the code like that. Otherwise, we can also use st.markdown and then use these three, right? So this one is yeah. So this way it has printed the code as well, but not with this color coding, right? So that's the only difference because here it's considering as code, but here it's considering as raw code, right? With no such form of color coding. That's the only difference. So this way you can code it. Similarly, if you have some latex, then in that case you can use latex function and just input the latex. For example, whatever it is, x equal to X, and then this is the thing. This way you can print, right? So this way you can use Streamlit to do some sort of formatting and have a web page with all these things ready, right? So for this, if you want to make a web application, if you want to make a web page, you'll have to write a lot of HTML code and make some kind of write some sort of CSS as well. Here in this code, on this page, there's not much of styling that has been done, but yeah, for sure, if we are going to deliver it, so in that case, we'll have to do some sort of styling as well, which is going to be very much easier in the Streamlit thing. But if we do it manually, then it's going to be a bit time taking for sure. So I hope you guys might have liked it, and please join me for the next video as well. I'll be teaching you how to import a data frame in it, how to plot charts, have plot bar chart, line chart, and then do the EDA and showcase it to our clients. So that's what we can do. We'll do in the next video. Okay. So until the next video, and stay tuned. Give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.